That'd be crazy if I had to say, I'm so far off the trail, I gotta go all the way down there. Not really. Have to go about 2 clicks that way. No, not really either. Just over the hedges and through the woods to grandmother's house I go. Thank you all for tuning in during these reindeer games. Whoa, I think I'm lost. And all I gotta do is go to the road. I don't think I came this way. Gosh dang it. Oh. No shit, he didn't come this way. He came this way. Savagely Shane lost on the side of a road. Will he be found? We may know. Yeah, you guys are gonna know because I'm gonna post this. So you could be like, but you'll smile doing it as you go. This guy. Okay, back on the old trail, I think. Check my good souls. Yep, DC's written down on the sand. It's a good sign. That means someone that was wearing some cool shoes was coming through here. Oh, shit. Yeah, don't hike alone. I'm gonna not do this anymore. Well, you shouldn't. All right, check back later.